Good morning and good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We are back with another lesson. And today I just want to talk about something very important that most traders still don't understand, that most traders still haven't realized. And it's that trading isn't about making money. If you want to make money in trading, you cannot focus on making money. I will constantly reiterate this. I will constantly repeat myself video after video after video. If you want to be a profitable trader, if you want to make money in the markets, you have to do it by not trying to make money. You need to understand that trading is a paradox. It's a paradox. There's a reason that 90% of traders fail. It's a paradox. It requires you to have mental resilience, patience. It requires you to let the market does whatever it wants to do. All you got to do is protect your capital. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show these few trades I'm in. I'm going to show how I'm managing myself in these trades by playing defense. Let's go. And it's funny because even though I just started making trading content again, I already feel the repetition in what I'm saying. I already feel the constant loop. It's the same loop. It's like the trade. It's the same stuff, man. It's the same stuff. And you got to understand this. This is Aussie CAD. I've been talking about this pair a lot lately. We had a break to the downside and it looks like we're retesting to go back and make a new low. And that's fine. So what I'm doing in this trade is nothing. I'm just holding it. I'm gonna hold it in drawdown. Now you might be seeing this number right here and like, whoa, so you're just gonna hold this and go into $1,100 in drawdown? Yes. Because my goal in the markets is to let the market does what it wants. All I have the power to do is control myself in the markets, control my capital in these markets. How am I managing my emotions? How am I managing my risk? How am I managing my position sizes? That's all I'm doing. So what I'm gonna do is let it come down to this level. Let it put me in drawdown. Let it. And then what's gonna happen is if nothing fundamentally changes, if I don't like what's going on in the markets, I either may still not add, or if we get a change, like we got some Canadian news coming out, we got some Australian news coming out. I look at my software and look at the Commitment of Traders data report, so I can see what the institutions and banks are doing. I'm gonna look at all these things, right? And it's gonna give me that confirmation, that confluence that I need so I can figure out if I should scale back more into this trade or not, or just hold it and do nothing. My only thing is I am not going to lose money. Now, some people might say this is delusional. You have to lose money. Losing money is a part of the game, they say. Losing is a part of trading. Well, I can agree and not agree with that because they're right. In the way, losing is a part of the game, but it's not in the way that you think. If I'm losing, it's because I'm winning to make up for that loss at the same time. So I'm in this Swiss yen trade, right? I was in a pretty decent drawdown. So what I'm doing in this trade, for example, is when I'm in deep drawdown, if I don't like this trade, if I don't like what's happening fundamentally, I will slowly scale out of my positions, but only when I'm closing out profits on a position like I did with Aussie CAD the other day. I close out profits on Aussie CAD, I slowly scale out of losses on Swiss yen. So I'm still in a net profit while I'm slowly scaling out on another trade, if even that, because most of the time, I'll just let it come back. I'll let it come back into profit and then I'll close with a profit. Or worst case, a break even. And now the thing is, this is all easier said than done, right? It's all easier said than done. Because I'm going to be honest, it took a minute for my mental to get to this point. It took a while for me to be able to stomach enough risk to watch my money be so negative. Like I'm down thousands of dollars sometimes. Like I was just down like over $3,000 the other day. over $3,000, and I'm just like, man, I'm just sitting here down negative thousands of dollars, and I'm just gotta sit here and watch it and manage myself and not be a crash out, because most people will be crash outs. They don't know how to handle money. They see negative numbers, they get all jittery and antsy, and they get scared. No, you can't do that. Just control yourself. Let the market do what it wants. All your job is to watch how the markets move and act accordingly with the markets. It's going up, okay, what are you gonna do? It's going down, okay, what are you gonna do? Good news came out for this pair, okay, what are you gonna do? Bad news came out for this pair, what are you gonna do? The only thing you can control is yourself. You can't control the markets, you can't control the news. All you can do is control yourself, your mental, and your capital. That's it. The whole game of trading is mental. The strategy doesn't even matter. You know how I know the strategy doesn't matter? I can tell you right now. If you have, let's say, a $10,000 account, have a $10,000 account, trade with 0.01s. It can be a buy or it doesn't matter. Just buy or sell it everywhere. Because the thing is, when you control risk, if I had a 0.01, I could just buy. With a 0.01 lot size. And I can guarantee you the account won't be blown, and the drawdown is going to be so insignificant that it's not even going to phase you. This whole drawdown right here will probably be what? A couple $100? Not even a couple $100. Yeah, let's say a couple hundred. With 0.01s on a $10,000 account, that's only 2% of the account. 2% drawdown. You're how many pips? You're 500 pips in drawdown. Most people's account will be blown. Yet, because you managed your risk accordingly, it don't matter to you. Which is why you can withstand drawdowns. Which is why you can withstand adding to your losing positions. It's all you. It's all in your brain, and it's all the way you manage your capital. And that's why I go through these drawdowns. That's why I let the market move against me. That's why I let the market move however it wants to move, because it don't matter. All I gotta do is control myself, my emotions, and my risk, and I'm good. Trading is not hard. The only thing that makes trading hard is because you're battling yourself. You're battling your own brain. Other than that, trading is simple. I'm in drawdowns right now. I'm in Euro Aussie drawdown. I'm in a Euro. Oh, I'm not in Euro GBP. I was gonna enter Euro GBP. Didn't enter it yet. I'm in New Zealand USD. I was just in profit after holding this through a drawdown. I'm looking to close it. Probably, I want to see a break of these highs, but we'll see. It depends what the market does, man. It depends what the market does. I'm not forcing the market to do anything, nor do I really care. All I know is I'm gonna come out making money. Guaranteed. I'm gonna come out making money. I'll post a few of my trades on the channel, whatever I close in profit, and go from there. But I just want y'all to know, man, if you want to survive in this game, if you want to make money trading, stop focusing on making money and start focusing on not losing it. That's the game. That's the game, bro. The game of trading is literally do not lose your money. Don't lose your money and you just might survive. But then we have the second part of that, which is how can you handle yourself in deep drawdowns? Can you handle your emotions? Do you get angry? Do you have mental issues in your brain? You got demons you gotta fight. Because I can tell you right now, if you got demons, if you got stress and trauma and all this stuff messing you up, you got a bad relationship with money, you're gonna be cooked. The market is gonna take your money in the instant. So just keep that in mind. Have that awareness. Go start meditating. Understand this game is a game against yourself, and that's the only reason I'm profitable, because I know how to manage myself, my emotions, and I know how to manage risk. Negative numbers don't scare me. I know what I'm risking. I know what I see what I'm risking. I just showed y'all. I'm gonna be down 1100 if this trade goes like 100, 200 pips against me. 1100 is not that much money. And if you're saying, well, I can't go that much in drawdown, that's my whole account. Okay, you gotta risk smaller. If you can't risk any smaller, okay, you have a capital problem. That means you need more capital. Like I said, you're gonna need money. You gotta go stack up before you get on the charts. If you try to trade with little money, the market's gonna take that little money in an instant. Don't trade with little money. Go get your money up, then come back to the charts and learn how to trade. But yeah, with all that being said, man, if y'all appreciated this, hit the like button down below for me, subscribe, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. Let's go. Be smart, and don't lose your money.